Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is my second video on this channel that has nothing to do with technology, but instead I'm doing a little project and I found these tools on Amazon. As I was saying, I found these tools on Amazon and they were at a very good price. You will see them in the description below. This is what to expect when you buy this kit, this tool set here. It has 148 pieces. Basically we have everything here that we need on some amateur home repair. We have some screws and some thumbs here. We have a hammer, solid hammer. It has one other purpose, not just a hammer, also like a nail, some kind of remover here. We have like several wrenches with different numbers. This one is a 16, this one is an 8, and we have two smaller ones. Now, since I'm not gonna use everything, I'm gonna just try and put them back to the box as they were. I also have this knife. We have some duct tape here. And some different tips for the screwdriver. We have a magnet here so it won't fall, and we can insert the tip here. We can insert any tip from here to the screwdriver. We also have two normal screwdrivers, one that is flat and one that is like a cross. Also, we have 1 meter here with two buttons. This is to hold the meter for a second, and we release it and the meter goes. This is the other button here. These two buttons have the same purpose. This is 3 meter long or 10 feet. So basically this was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.